Casement window installation in Coppell, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient casement windows Coppell offer significant savings on energy bills, making them a smart investment for any home. Custom casement windows in Coppell, Texas, allow homeowners to tailor their window designs to match their unique style and preferences. Vinyl casement windows in Coppell, TX, are known for their durability and low maintenance, making them a preferred option for many residents. Wooden casement windows in Coppell provide a classic and timeless look, adding warmth and elegance to any home. Aluminum casement windows in Coppell, Texas, offer a sleek and modern appearance, perfect for contemporary homes. Casement window replacement in Coppell is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Double-glazed casement windows in Coppell, TX, provide superior insulation, reducing noise and improving energy efficiency. Casement window maintenance in Coppell ensures that your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and performance. Casement windows Coppell styles in Texas vary widely, offering options to suit any architectural design. Casement window hardware in Coppell includes high-quality locks and hinges, ensuring security and ease of use. Casement window screens in Coppell, TX, provide protection against insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Casement window locks in Coppell are designed to provide maximum security for your home. Casement window hinges in Coppell, Texas, are crucial for the smooth operation of your windows, allowing them to open and close effortlessly. Casement window frames in Coppell are available in various materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits. Casement window glass in Coppell, TX, is available in different types, including tempered and laminated glass, providing safety and energy efficiency. Casement window design in Coppell allows homeowners to create a cohesive look that complements their home's architecture. Casement window cost in Coppell, Texas, varies depending on the materials and features chosen, but the investment is worthwhile for the benefits provided. Casement window benefits in Coppell include improved ventilation, energy efficiency, and enhanced curb appeal. Casement window features in Coppell, TX, such as easy operation and secure locking mechanisms, make them a practical choice for any home. Casement window options in Coppell offer flexibility in design, materials, and finishes, ensuring a perfect fit for any homeowner's needs. Casement window sizes in Coppell, Texas, can be customized to fit any opening, providing a seamless look and optimal functionality. Casement windows Coppell materials include a range of options, each offering distinct advantages in terms of durability, maintenance, and aesthetics. Casement window experts in Coppell are available to guide homeowners through the selection and installation process, ensuring a successful project.